This question is, do you have a standard pricing system for your services? If so, please share the details here. Our course pricing is largely based on the amount of content in each course. So if you see a crash course and its cost is $300, you can estimate that that is going to be a smaller course, where if you see a course bundle and its cost is $3,000, you can estimate that there's going to be about 10 times the information in the larger course bundle than in the smaller crash course. So it really is based on the amount of time, the amount of information, and the amount of content that is in each course. They're directly related to how much information is in each one. So when you're shopping our course lists and one crash course may be $300 and another may be $600, the logic behind that is there's more information in the higher priced course, and the lower priced course will have although the lower priced course may cover the topic completely, it's just a smaller topic and there's no reason to standardize the pricing. I hope that helps you understand how we come up with our pricing standards, and as you see more courses added onto our website, it'll help you gauge how much content is in each bundle. All right, thank you.